Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best water pump impeller kit for the Mercruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2 stern drives and Mercury Mariner outboards. The UANOFCN 817275A5 water pump impeller kit. If you're looking to maintain or repair your boat's cooling system, this kit is designed specifically to deliver reliable performance for your marine engine. This water pump impeller kit is engineered to fit Mercury 3.0 LFEDFI engines ranging from 200 to 300 horsepower, as well as Mercruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2 stern drives. The kit also corresponds to the Sierra 18-3147 and Mallory 9-48315 parts, ensuring a wide compatibility with your marine motor models. One of the standout features of this kit is its comprehensive packaging. It includes the impeller itself, a stainless steel wear plate and housing, a neoprene impeller designed for durability, plus all necessary gaskets, seals, and O-rings. The kit even comes with a face seal and a carrier assembly oil seal, which are essential components for maintaining a leak-free and efficient water pump system. The materials used are of high quality, with stainless steel for wear plates and housing, and non-asbestos gaskets to withstand marine conditions. The neoprene impeller ensures long-lasting performance and is resistant to wear caused by debris and saltwater, which is crucial for boat engines operating in harsh environments. When it comes to installation, the kit is vehicle-specific, meaning it fits precisely without the need for modifications. This ensures a straightforward replacement process for boat owners or mechanics working on Mercury outboard 3.0 LFEDFI engines or Mercruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2 stern drives. However, it is very important to double-check your engine model and serial number to confirm compatibility before purchase. This UANOFCN water pump impeller kit also supports serial numbers across a broad range, covering many years and variations of Mercury and Mariner 200, 225, and 250 HP outboards. This broad fitment means it's a versatile option whether you're working on a newer or slightly older model engine. Overall, the UANOFCN 817275A5 kit offers everything needed to maintain the critical cooling system of your marine engine, helping to prevent overheating and ensuring optimal engine performance. For boat owners looking for a reliable, well-made replacement water pump impeller kit, this product from UANOFCN stands out as the best choice for Mercruiser Alpha 1 Gen 2 and Mercury Mariner 200 to 250 HP engines. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want more detailed reviews and breakdowns of marine and automotive parts, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.